Hi, in this video I'll be covering another custom visual in Power BI. It's called the bubble chart. It's by Aquilon. You can go to the app stores right here, click on the three dots, click on import from app stores. I'll just show you how it looks. So bubble, just type in bubble and bubble chart by Aquilon. So this chart looks like this. I'll expand this so that it is visible to all of you. And now what I want you to do is pay attention to the fields that we have available here. So we have a bubble name, we have a cluster name, okay, and we have a value that we need to add. So for my cluster I need my country because that would be the largest circle. For my value I'll take my sales, and for my bubble name I'll take my let's say I'll take my segments, different segments. So look at how this is. So the largest circles that you see are the segments, are the clusters. Those are the countries that I've put here in the fields. So if I move my cursor around, so this is France, this is Germany, this is Mexico, United States of America, Germany, and Canada. And inside those clusters we have different bubbles, and these bubbles right here in this visualization that you see on the screen are the segments. And in the sales I put value as my sales amount. And let's have a look at the formatting options that we have available. So this visual cannot be fully accessible to everyone. You need the premium key for that, but don't worry about that. You could use it this way as well. So we have the colors option, like in every visual we have those, the cluster colors option, and you can turn on and off the legends, labels. You can increase the padding, you can make it 2.5, and some other formatting options like you have in the other visuals as well. So yeah, it is not a completely free visual. I mean, you can do as much as done on the screen. If you wanted to add a drill through feature or you want some premium settings, you would need a key. So that is not available to you right now. You can Google that how to get that, or I can help you with that in one of my next videos. So yeah, this is the bubble chart by Aquilon in Power BI. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.